if you're struggling to get a vacuum cleaner for your car. So don't worry. In this video we have brought you 5 best car vacuum cleaner for 2022. We spend a lot of time in our cars, so it's natural for them to get dirty and need a thorough cleaning from time to time. The right car vacuum can make cleaning your car's interior easier and more efficient. Whether it's a deep clean or a touch on the go, the best portable car vacuums have enough power to get the job done with the right tools and accessories to ensure no dust is left behind. We researched several vacuums for cars and compared their pricing, power rating, weight, battery, and features to determine our #1 choice. You should consider both your needs and budget when choosing a car vacuum, but every vacuum has useful features and some drawbacks. If you want more information, be sure to check links mentioned in the description box. Okay, let's get into the video and start with our first choice. AA255 vacuum offers strong power when you'll need a wet vacuum. It's even better if you can find a portable wet or dry vacuum to clean up all kinds of junk. This may look like a shop, but it's built for cleaning your car's interior, with a custom-designed nozzle and plenty of service options to get into nooks and crannies. It also converts into a blower, allowing it to easily provide airflow to remove garbage from the exterior of the car, such as leaves or dirt. It is a corded cleaner, but the 6-feet-long hose adds flexibility to the reach provided by the 10-feet cord. Its 2.5-gallon tank ensures that even large messes are no problem. When it comes to performance, this is consistently among the highest-rated car vacuums on retail sites like Amazon. At number 2, Hotor Car Vacuum Cleaner. This is an efficient model. Weighing just 2.44 pounds, this is one of the lightest options available, making it easy to move inside your car or clean for extended periods of time. The long power cord also helps you worry less during the car wash. Featuring a stainless steel exterior, its design combines a HEPA filter with durable, washable materials and is backed by a lifetime free replacement warranty. You'll also get 3 different nozzles to help you get the job done. One thing to note about the Hotor: the description on the Sears website states that the vacuum has a hard time picking up debris like pet hair. If you have a pet that regularly rides in your car, you should consider another car vacuum cleaner. That said, it would be hard to beat a Hotor vacuum for the price. Regularly priced at $34 on Amazon, it often offers a very low price for an elite cleaner. Its rating on the same site is now 4 stars with over 17,000 reviews. This means you can service a dirt-free vehicle without breaking the bank. At number 3, Shark Rocket Corded Bagless Stick Vacuum. If the Hotor car vacuum doesn't fit your cup of tea, and you have a little extra cash to spend, the Shark Rocket Cordless Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is another great option. It comes with a super long 25-feet power cord, and like the Dyson model on this list, it has enough suction power to also be used as a vacuum for your home. The accessories that Shark provides make it easier to clean the nooks and crannies of the car. There's a precision dust filter, pet multi-tool, and crevice tool that can reach anywhere in the vehicle, even under the front seats. While the Shark Rocket may make you more money than some of the other models on this list, and you may decide it's not worth it in the end if you just use it on your car, the rating is the level of satisfaction that customers speak for themselves. This model is currently rated 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon with over 9,000 reviews. At number 4, BISSELL AeroSlim Lithium-Ion Cordless Vacuum. This is a popular supplier of household products, and their vacuums are a reliable choice for a variety of uses. When you need a powerful yet compact car vacuum, BISSELL has the AeroSlim Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Built for an active lifestyle, it features a smart and compact design that's also easy to store in your car, office, or dorm. It has a 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Up to 12 minutes of power cordless cleaning before you need to recharge via the included USB charging cable or traditional charger. Either way, the vacuum will tell you when to recharge the battery with the built-in flashlight. Charging time lasts from 2.5 to 3.5 hours. Also packed with special features designed for efficient cleanings, such as dual-level filtration with washable filters and BISSELL's signature Easy Clean trash can. It comes with a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush that can be easily stored on a handheld device. At number 5, BLACK+DECKER Dust Buster Vacuum. An Amazon's choice product, the BLACK+DECKER multipurpose vacuum cleaner features a 3-stage filtration system. Its main feature is the exclusive nozzle that rotates 200 degrees to really get into the nooks and crannies. Fortunately, that frustration can be completely eliminated with the Max Lithium Pivot, which has a lithium-ion battery with 4 hours of battery life. That's enough time for a car vacuum to clean a convoy of limos. In addition to powerful battery life, Pivot features an ergonomic design with an adjustable nozzle that makes this portable vacuum ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach places in your car or home. It also has a 3-stage filtration system that improves both potency and cleanliness. Pivot's unique design and properties make it ideal for car cleaning, so even if prices fluctuate, this model could really be a steal. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch more latest videos. Did we leave off any car vacuum cleaner? Let us know in the comments. See you guys in the next video.